What is up, gang? I have a problem. Look, I've got friends, alright? But the thing is, I'm just kind of weird and I'm just so not funny. Yeah, no, I'm just an awkward guy, low-key. But it's alright, cause I think I found that way.
You don't know the way. Do you know the way?
Words alone are not enough for me to communicate my sense of humor. So I need something more visual, something that transcends the limit of spoken words. Memes. Memes. I like memes. But the thing with memes is it's much more time consuming than verbal jokes. Like, you gotta come up with a text and, choose a fitting template image. And, I'm just too lazy to do all that. So, of course, the logical thing to do is to make an AI meme generator that will generate memes for me. Yes, sir! So here's the plan. I write a meme idea as a prompt, and then the AI will choose a fitting meme template for my meme and generate the text. Now, you might be wondering, how is the AI gonna know the position of the text boxes? To solve this problem, I'm thinking of creating a big list of meme templates, and each template will be assigned text box positions and dimensions. With this info, hopefully the AI will be able to deduce which text goes to which position. And I know the AI is likely to mess up and, assign the wrong positions for the text boxes, but hey, I don't care, alright? I trust an AI. Let him cook. Now, first things first, I need to gather data, and I'm planning to have a lot of meme templates, alright? And when I say a lot, it's not in the hundreds. Nah, I'm planning to have more than 1,000 meme templates for the AI to choose. Damn! To collect all the meme data, I went to imageflip.com and inspected the HTML code on Google to retrieve info about the XY positions, width, and height of different text boxes for each meme. I did that manually for over 1,000 meme templates, and oh my days, it took me a lot of time. Nah, just kidding, bro. I automated that process, alright? It's called web scraping. So basically, the code here automatically gets the HTML code of a website with the request library, and the beautiful library helps you find and get specific elements inside the HTML code easily. For example, I get the HTML code of the website imageflip.com/meme templates with request. And then I find the URL path of each meme with the beautiful soup. As you can see, it's in the div empty-box. So then in the code, I open the link to get to the editing page of the meme, where I can get the text box information such as the position and size in the div mm-preview. I can even get the image of the template here. And all I gotta do is run the code and everything will definitely work. Yeah, nah, the code doesn't work. Oh my days, bro. What?
One eternity later.
Okay, apparently the ImageFlip website contains dynamic content, but the request library only retrieves static HTML code. And so instead of using request, I had to switch to the library Playwright, which simulates human browsing on a website to get the dynamic content. And voila, finally getting that data.
Oh my god! Wow!
That was data for one page of imageflip.com/meme templates, and of course, if I want to get more memes, I'll have to iterate through the pages, and all I gotta do is change that little number here, and boom, a little for loop, and boom, 1,000 meme templates.
Boom! 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 Boom!
Yo, look at the beautiful list. Alright, I have the data. Now it's time to cook the meme generator. For this project, I'm going to be using Gemini's 2.5 Flash AI model because it's free, first of all, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I actually tested it out and it looks promising. Surely Gemini won't be tripping too much. Okay, I wrote the entirety of this code without the help of ChatGPT. Yeah, I did everything myself. So let me present to you what's happening in the code, alright? So here, the idea prompt for the meme is, I'm low-key just using ChatGPT to cook crazy code for me, but I pretend to be a pro coder in front of my friends. This prompt does not reflect reality. It's just a funny meme idea that has nothing to do with me, alright? So first, here, I send a request to the Gemini servers asking, hey, here's a meme idea prompt. Now, create 3 memes out of it, each with a different template, and in response, Gemini sends the meme names and corresponding text. Then comes the second call to Gemini with a super long prompt. By super long, I mean I had to dedicate a whole ass function just for that prompt, okay? This prompt provides information about the position of the text boxes that I retrieved from the data I had collected with web scraping. That allows Gemini to guess and assign different texts to different positions. As a result, I got this big dictionary, and inside that dictionary is the generated text that we got previously from Gemini assigned to text box positions deduced by Gemini. With the positions and also retrieving the sizes for those text boxes, all I gotta do is draw that text on an image. And of course, since I'm using Python, there's an existing library that does just that, Pillow. And here is the result of my first test run. Yeah, the text is not really centered well and doesn't have the right font size. And the meme doesn't make any sense. Nice. Okay, I tweaked both the wrap text and the draw text box functions, and now the text is finally displayed well. I also reran the program to get 3 memes as test, and here's the result.
Wait.
Yeah, the memes are weird.
A few moments later.
Alright, I modified the prompts for the API calls and I actually got better results. For the distracted boyfriend, the meme looks counterintuitive, but it kind of makes sense the more you look at it. I'm not coping. Spend days researching and coding complex features, asking ChatGPT to cook crazy code in 5 minutes, me and an elite coder showing off to my friends. Hey, yo, this one is actually pretty good, bro. I like that one. Using ChatGPT to write entire complex applications and calling myself a pro coder. Using ChatGPT for bug fixes. Copying code from Stack Overflow. Writing Hello World. Yo, that's... These two though, they're pretty good. Yo, I'm low-key surprised. I was expecting cursed memes, but this is pretty funny. No cap. Now, it's time to experiment with other prompts. So I called my sister, and she wrote this prompt about voice cracking after singing, and here's what I got. My voice when it comes to the crucial final sentence, squeak? Me absolutely crushing the presentation in front of... I don't think the AI understood the meme idea. Gemini messed up the order here. I don't know what it cooked, but it just doesn't make any sense. And this one, yeah, I'm not even gonna talk about it, bro. What the hell is this? The memes are so horrible, it's actually laughable.
A few minutes later.
Okay, I slightly tweaked the prompt without changing the core idea, and the memes actually got better. Well, sorta. This one is cooked, the order is just wrong. This one actually makes sense if you assume the singing performance to be fire and the girl to be disappointment. Me trying to finish the song gracefully after my voice cracked on the final note. Yo, this one is pretty good. Hey, I like this one. Anyways, my meme AI generator is a hit or miss. Most of the time a miss. The way you write the prompt also matters, so yeah, it's basically, you need luck. But at least my program works. Kinda works. But it is hella mid. There are probably millions of ways to make a better AI meme generator, right? But honestly, I'd love to see, smarter and funnier AI meme generators that the big brains will cook. I need this. Also, if you have any tips or improvement ideas, feel free to write them in the comment section. Hey, if this video gets 20 likes, I'm gonna improve my AI meme generator and I'll also make a UI for it, because right now everything is sorta hard-coded. Yeah, everything is just inside the script, including the user prompt. It's mad ugly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Bye.